out I'm pregnant. We just did a test. It's day 7. We're gonna flip together. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
We had friends who got married and just had babies straight away. It was kind of weird, the prospect hitting me that we might not be able to have a family of our own. It's something that I never really thought about until I was in it.
When you want something so desperately and then to not get that, it's quite like a roller coaster of emotions because it feels just really unfair.
Kua whātau a Jules rawa ko pe e ngana ana kia whai uri, a kua tahuri rawa ki te IVF hei huarahi āwhina.
I never get to just find out I'm pregnant.
Ko tahi o roto I te whātangata e whare pāna ki Aotearoa nei.
We were fortunate enough that our whānau gathered together and gave us a koha to go down the privately funded route.
I toroa Jules ki ngā rāngai haura tū matanui kia whiwhirongoa IVF. Ko tā rātou me tatari aia mo te rua tau e hui rawa ai ia ki te tākuta.
For lots of whānau, it's like, where do we go from here? How do we raise $15,000? It's a hard one.
Okay, we're about to go into our first fertility appointment. How are you feeling? I feel nervous.
I kōrero tia e Jules rawa ko pe o rawa whea ko IVF ki runga Pai Pāho papori. Me kore e Māori noa ai ngā kōrero mo te wharepā.
For the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be doing injections and scans, and I'm so excited, but I'm so scared. Only on an IVF journey do you get excited about having good eggs. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take whatever wins I can get at this point. I don't know. Feeling lonely tonight.
Ko ngā hui tākuta, ngā rongoa, me ngā pūwerotanga, nā pē I mahi. Ētahi o ngā tukanga I whāia.
Going in for all my egg collection and then they create the embryos and then doing the transfer. That was really challenging when we actually started, just coming to terms with the fact that this was all going to be happening to me and Pat would be the one that would have to do the injections and stuff. That was probably the hardest.
It's just nerve-wracking. I feel like I'm already on a roller coaster of emotions.
It was definitely very uncomfortable having to do that to your partner. You know, it was a bit very sad, but it's part of it. I think she definitely took the harder hit from it. You know, she had to go through everything, and the hardest part for me was just not being able to do too much for her.
Whai muri I te rauna IVF tuatahi, ka mahia atu e Jules he whakamātautau hapūtanga.
Okay, I just did a test. It's day 7. Feeling nervous, but we're gonna flip together. Okay, ready? I'm so nervous. 1, 2. Oh, there's 2. There's definitely 2.
It just felt like I finally could breathe after 4 years. It's like, oh my gosh, this is real.
There's definitely 2.
Amazing, an amazing feeling. I know a little baby would just be an extension of our love for each other.
I just think he'll be the best dad.
E tumanako ana te tokorua nei mā te whakaputa I ēnei kōrero e mutu ai ngā puapua taunutanga o te IVF.
As more people have learned about it, more people have come out of the woodworks and been like, oh yeah, we've gone through that too. There's no need to be ashamed about it. If our bodies fail us in this area, then they do. And it's okay.
I think normalising it was a big thing for us. Just wanted to show people you can have everything going for you, you know, and it doesn't discriminate in fertility.